All right, this video is to show you how to use the snap functions in the brush tool. So let's get started. So this up here at the top left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the snap tools. Let me go ahead and get a close-up of that here by showing you this. So when you click the brush tool, you'll see these options here, and they're called snap or the snap functions here. Basically, you can turn them off. You can select these different ones, which I'm going to show you, and then you can adjust the way that they look. So let me show you how that works. So I click the brush tool, and then I can see up here I got my functions or my options here. Right now it's off. I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn this one on here, and you'll see it's kind of a whoops, wrong brush. Let me choose the pen. You can see that I can draw straight lines based off of this grid that's here. All right, so I've selected this snap, and now I can draw straight lines. If I click the dot, remember the dot will adjust the snap. I can move my mouse around so that I can move these grid lines, and now I can draw in the other direction, and they'll draw straight lines. We have, let me clear the layer here. We have this other one. It's kind of straight lines that go up and down. So this is a real quick way to draw straight lines that are going up and down. All right. We have, I'm going to skip this one. I'm going to go ahead and move on to this vanishing point snap. So as you can see, it'll create lines that go straight to a center point. You can adjust this by clicking the dot. You guys can move it to any point here, and then you guys can have it do lines that go up to the center. All right. There's the circle snap. So it's this one here. And this one allows you to create perfect circles. And again, if you hit the adjust button, you can move where you want the circle to be drawn, and you can draw it as big as you want or as small as you want. All right. And let me show you one more. This is to help you draw letters or lines that are kind of rounded. So let me show you here how this works. I'm going to write my last name. So I'm going to click, 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 click. And when I'm done, when I want to close it off, I double click, and it'll create the shape for me. And now I can just use my, now I can just trace around the letter, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And when I'm done, I can click the dot, and it'll allow me to do the next letter. So again, each one of these points, I'm just clicking. All right, so, and then I could just trace around. This is a tricky one. Let's say you make a mistake, you don't like it, just click the dot again, and it'll let you start over. You'll have to hit the back button here to get rid of that, and then you can start over. You can also, create shapes with this thing. So let's say if you wanted to make an eyeball, this can help you with that. There, and then you can use a circle snap. Maybe put it here, and then draw a circle, and then you can fill it in, and now you have an eyeball. All right. Hopefully that helps. Talk to you soon.